my name is Sara Pfeifer and I'm a dietitian with the Ponca tribe of Nebraska. And today I'm going to demonstrate to you guys how to cook up some vegetables in an air fryer. So I like to use my air fryer at home a lot, especially in the summertime because it doesn't heat up the kitchen. So this is just a good alternative way to roast up some veggies in the summertime. So first we're going to take, first of all you want to cut and slice and wash any vegetables that you want to use. So today we're going to be using some zucchini. So I have about a half a zucchini here, and we have about a half a medium yellow squash as well. So I'm gonna put that in a bowl. And then I chopped up about a half, and it's pretty big slices here, as you can see, because the air fryer does cook at a high temperature pretty quickly, so we don't want them to get too small slices in there, otherwise they'll maybe get a little burnt. So I put some onion in there. That was about a half an onion, a small onion, and about a cup or so of sliced mushrooms. So we're going to kind of stir that together. Then we're going to toss it with a little bit of olive oil or your preferred cooking oil of choice. Then we're going to add in just a little bit of cracked pepper. And just a little bit of salt as well, just to taste. So we have our air fryer here, and we're just going to add in our vegetables. Sometimes I still like to spray just a little bit on the bottom to make sure it doesn't stick. And then this has already also been preheated to 400 degrees. I preheated it about 5 minutes. So we're just gonna add in our vegetables. So you wanna just kind of make sure they're not overlapping a ton. They'll overlap a little bit with this amount of vegetables in there. But as you can see, it looks just like, so where it's not too full. If it's too full, they might not crisp up so much. So we're going to just put that in at 400 degrees. We're going to put it on for 5 minutes, shake it up, and put it on an additional 5 minutes. So after those first 5 minutes, we're just gonna open the basket up. I'm gonna give it a good shake, kind of toss those veggies around a little bit. Then we're going to just turn it on again for about another 5 minutes at 400 degrees.